In this video, I'm going to show you how to center a table and text in Google Docs. Let's launch the Google Chrome web browser. In the top right corner, click on the grid icon. In the drop-down menu, click on Docs. Let's take a blank document from here. If we want to add a table, we have to click on Insert. In the drop-down menu, click on Table. Now you can select blocks to insert a table. Let's add a 4x4 table. Suppose you have resized some columns of the table, and because of this, the table is no longer in the middle. To fix it, right-click on the table. In the pop-up menu, click on Table Options. In the right side menu, expand the Table option. In the Alignment section, select the Center Alignment. Here you can see that the table is positioned in the center now. Now let's look at the data in the table. The data in the table is aligned to the left by default. To change it, select your desired columns or rows. In the top menu bar, click on the Alignment option. In the drop-down menu, select the Middle Alignment. Here you can see that the alignment of the selected cells has changed to the middle. Now, if your cells are longer than usual, your text will be in the middle, but it won't be centered, and this doesn't look good. To resolve it, select the cells just like before. Now right-click on the selected cells. In the pop-up, click on Table Options again. This time, expand the Cell option. Now change the vertical alignment to Middle. Here you can see that we have aligned our table and text in the middle.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.